Sai Ram children. I hope you all are fit and fine at your places. So children, today in our maths class, we are going to start with our new chapter. Chapter 10, Play with Patterns. So children, let's start with our chapter, Play with Patterns. Children, in previous, we have discussed patterns in the form of numbers. Patterns in the form of numbers. But today we are going to discuss patterns, that how we are going to play with patterns. So children, patterns around us. Let's read. In everyday life, we see many patterns. For example, we see barbed wire. Children, barbed wire means you can see wire is in the pattern form, but it is burb. Burb means that if we will touch that, we will get injured. So children, barbed wire basically used in front of our house. If it is open, most of the people use this barbed wire so that no one can enter from outside inside the house. Or you can see in army area, barbed wire is used. So children, now see grills of window. Children, in your balconies, where is grill, there some patterns of the grills is there. Okay. A snake you can see, here is some pattern they are using. Okay. Now children, here look around you and list 3 things in which you find some patterns. Children, you can look around you and list 3 things. First is wheel. You can see wheel, there is some pattern like this. Same pattern they are using. Okay, like this. So this is the pattern that used in wheel. 2 things you will write here. What things that is around you that is having pattern. Draw some patterns which you have found around yourself, or you can draw some of the patterns like I told you, this diamond pattern I told you, that you can draw. Okay, or things you will draw. Now come to next page, page number 145. Hello, I am Pallavi. I live in Jaipur. Children, she is Pallavi. She lived in Jaipur. My city is known for clothes. My city is known for clothes with black prints. Have a look at some of the block print design made by my mother. So children, block print design, you can see it is block print design. It is made by Pallavi's mother. But if you saw, she makes these design by using block again and again. One day I got hold of the block and made a beautiful design. Children, with the same block, what she did to hold that block, and then she made this design. Is this beautiful? Yes, this is very beautiful. You will see that these designs have been made by using same block in different ways. You will see that these designs have been made by using same blocks, but you can see design having difference. Here blocks used by her mother again and again. Here she hold the block and she draw one design. You can see she used block again and again. Okay, here she hold the block and she make one design, but it is different. Okay children, here she draws 5. Here she draws with holding that blocks. Here she draw with again and again using block 10 patterns, but here she used by holding that block 5 patterns. Understood? Can you see a pattern in the way in each block is repeated? Can you see a pattern? She is saying that can you see a pattern in the way in which each block is repeated? In which each block is repeated. Now turn your page. Pictures in a pattern. I have made some pattern of pictures. I have used a rule for each pattern. So children, she makes some rule for using this pattern. You can see the rule for this pattern is, first of all they are telling for this pattern is, there is one girl after every 2 boys. Then this is repeated. There is one girl after every 2 boys. So children, you can see 1 2 boys and 1 girl, 1 2 boys and 1 girl, 1 2 boys. So same pattern is repeated, only the difference is 2 boys 1 girl, 2 boys 1 girl. Understood? Now come to next. In this pattern there is one arrow up, one arrow is up and one arrow is down. Then this is repeated. So this is repeated here. Understood? Given below some patterns, figure out the rule for each and continue the pattern. So children, you have to use some patterns. You can see in first figure there is pot, one is blue and one is red. Understood? So children, first of all you will draw a pot like this. Then you can see this is blue, then red, blue, then red. Then here also again blue. You will use blue, then red, then blue. You will draw pot and then you will fill the color. Understood? But with the same pattern. Okay, it is not blue, it is sea green color, dark greenish with blue mixing. That green you can use this green, okay, or dark green. Understood? Okay, now come to next. Capital A, capital B 1 time, capital A 2 time, capital B 1 time. Now capital A 2 time, capital A 2 time, then capital B. So here you will write capital A in these 2 boxes and here you will write capital B. Understood? Okay, now come to next page. C part. You can see there is one petal on a flower, then three petal, then five petal, then one petal again, then three petal, then five petal. So you will use here one petal, three petal, and then five petal. So you will use same pattern to draw the figure. Now next two you will do on your own by using this same pattern. Understood? This is your homework. You have to do, you have to think that how patterns are used in a number system. Understood? Now you can see in written form also. Here it is morning, afternoon, evening, night, then morning. Here you will write afternoon. Only one dash is there. Afternoon. Understood? Now next, growing pattern. I have made new pattern. I have made a new pattern. You can see how she has made new pattern. She has made semicircle, oval, not semicircle, oval. Okay, oval shape she draw. Then she draw down arrow, up arrow. Down, how many arrows? 1 1. Then 2 2. Down, up. Then again down, 3 arrows. Then up, 3 arrows. Then you will use 4 arrows down. Then you will use 4 arrows up. Then you will use 5 arrows down. Then you will use 5 arrows up. With the same pattern you will use this. Understood? Now come to next. But this pattern keeps on growing. Now they are saying that these patterns keeps on growing. Sorry. It does not repeat. It does not repeat. So children, so what? It does have a rule. It does have a rule. Can you see the rule? And continue the pattern. Children, they are talking about pattern keeps on growing. It does not repeat. It does not repeat. So what? It does have a rule. Now we will see next. Try this also, children. Here is one window in square shape. Then 4 blocks there in square shape. Then you will tell, good, 9 block. Understood? Now next, there is one small triangle. Then another triangle is there, and they are using small triangle inside. Children, you can see how many small triangle. You can see one small triangle, then another triangle, then one small triangle inside it. Then triangle, how many triangle inside it? 3. Now next, what you will do? 2 2 they are increasing. Okay. Next you can take here 5 inside the triangle. 2 2 they are adding. Then in next you will take 7. Okay. Now this you will do on your own. Now come to next. If we are using some of our own patterns. So children, here is your space to make your own pattern. So here you will use your own patterns. Okay, you can use in the shape of this, then this pattern, then again this, okay, then again this standing form. What pattern you are using, what rule you are using, that pattern you are going to continue, and you will make your own patterns. Understood? Or you can do, you will make one circle, or you can do, you will make one dot, then one circle, then two circle, and inside dot, here also dot, then here you will use dot, and 1 2 and 3 here. So same pattern they are using, one dot, okay, then they are using with one circle, then they are using with two circle, then they are using with three circle. Understood? Now come to next, you can use your own pattern and you will draw some of the patterns here. Okay, or what you can do, you will use in different shapes patterns, different design patterns, that is up to you. Okay children? So children, when you are going to use pattern, that should be very neat and clean form, okay, and you will draw patterns very neatly, and you have to use rules for the patterns when you are using it. Understood? So children, I hope you understood with pattern what we are discussing. Children, in our previous chapter we have discussed patterns with the help of shapes, but here we are using patterns with the help of designs, shapes, that we are using. Previous we have used with numbers also. Have you seen that we have did that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So children, what if it is in dash form? So you can see they are adding 2 plus. So previous we have used with number system, with number also, okay, in patterns. But here we are going to discuss patterns with the rule, with the shapes, what they are using it. Okay children? So children, you will do till this what I told you, that you have to do in your book only. Rest of the chapter we are going to continue in our next class. Till then, thank you and bye.